everyone! Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Sharon.
I'm Ben, and today we're fixing real-life English mistakes people make every single day.
Our topic is home repair English made easy, so you can speak confidently with plumbers, electricians, and home technicians. Oh yes! Just last week, my kitchen sink started leaking everywhere. Water was dripping all over the floor, and I had to call a plumber.
See, this is exactly why we need today's episode. When something breaks in your house, you need to know how to talk to repair people, plumbers, electricians, handymen.
Exactly! And if you're renting, you also need to know how to talk to your landlord or building manager about repairs.
Right. So today, we're going to teach you all the essential English phrases for home repairs. We'll cover common household problems. So you're thinking how to describe what's broken and how to communicate with repair professionals.
We've got role plays, key vocabulary, and even some tips on understanding repair estimates.
So grab your notebook and let's get fixing. So why is home repair English so important? Well, let me tell you what happened to me last year.
Oh no! What happened?
So I was renting this apartment, and one day the toilet just stopped working. It wouldn't flush at all.
That's terrible!
So I needed to call the landlord, but I didn't know how to explain the problem. I was like, toilet, no work, broke. Oh, I felt like a caveman. Landlord kept asking me questions I didn't understand. Is it clogged? Is water running? Is there a leak? And I just kept saying, I don't know.
That must have been so frustrating.
It was. Eventually, the landlord just sent someone over to check, but it wasted so much time, and I was so embarrassed.
That's exactly why we need to learn this vocabulary. Home repairs are urgent. You can't wait around trying to figure out the right words.
Exactly. So let's start with the basics. Common household problems and how to describe them.
Okay, so let's go through the most common problems you might have at home. Repeat after me.
First, let's talk about water problems. These are super common.
The sink is leaking.
The sink is leaking.
The toilet is clogged.
The toilet is clogged.
The shower drain is blocked.
The shower drain is blocked.
There's no hot water.
There's no hot water.
The light isn't working.
The light isn't working.
The window is broken.
The window is broken.
The air conditioner stopped working.
The air conditioner stopped working.
The heater isn't working.
The heater isn't working.
The air conditioner is broken.
The air conditioner is broken.
The door won't lock.
The door won't lock.
The window is stuck.
The window is stuck.
Great! Now let's talk about electrical problems.
The lights won't turn on.
The lights won't turn on.
The outlet isn't working.
The outlet isn't working.
The power is out.
The power is out.
Perfect! And here are some other common problems.
The heater isn't working.
The heater isn't working. Yes.
The air conditioner is broken.
The air conditioner is broken.
The door won't lock.
The door won't lock.
The window is stuck.
The window is stuck.
Those are some of the most common home repair problems. Great job practicing.
Remember to listen and repeat so these phrases become natural for you.
Wow, this house has a lot going on.
Oh yeah, and this is just the beginning. And we're just getting started. This dryer is definitely struggling.
Yeah, something is definitely wrong with that.
Okay, that light is not happy.
That light is about to give up.
The water pressure. The water pressure is super low.
Yep, that's barely even water.
This shower door gets stuck every single time.
That door said not today.
The window won't budge. That thing is locked in place.
Okay, that window is a whole problem.
Yeah, let's check the next room.
Why is the light flickering like that?
That light looks like it's about to explode. The window won't budge.
That thing is locked in place. You did amazing! These are some of the most useful home repair phrases. All right, we're back in the studio.
Yeah, and we've got a brand new segment for you.
Okay, that house is wild, but we're not done yet.
Yeah, the next room is a whole new level. Oh, wow, that lamp is struggling for its life.
It looks like it's auditioning for a horror movie. That lamp had me scared for a second.
And that was only the living room. The washing machine is losing its mind.
It's trying to escape. That was too close. That machine almost chased us.
We survived the laundry level. Barely.
I think my heart just did a whole TikTok dance routine.
That laundry monster almost had us.
I still can't believe that washing machine came at us like it was alive.
It charged at me. I thought it was about to fold me instead of the laundry.
I think I'm done with washing machines forever.
Same. If I see one more spinning drum, I'm running the other way.
Ben, did you hear that?
That door was definitely closed before.
If that closet turns into another level, I'm quitting this game show.
Same. I didn't sign up for level 3, Attack of the Hangers. Yeah, no. We're wrapping this episode before anything else comes alive.
Exactly. Lesson first, chaos later. All right, guys. Today's English phrase is, that was a close call.
And trust me, we definitely had one.
Before we go, let's recap everything we learned today.
Yeah, from escaping that crazy laundry room to today's English phrase.
Yeah, we used phrases you can actually say in real life.
Yeah, simple, useful expressions to help you sound more confident. Let's go over what we learned today.
Right. We practiced real English phrases for real home problems.
From leaks and clogged drains
To lights that won't turn on and outlets that don't work.
We also learned how to describe problems clearly so professionals know exactly what you need.
And now you can talk about these issues in English with confidence. No stress, no confusion. Remember, practice these phrases a few times this week so they become natural.
And don't forget to try them in real conversations. That's how you get fluent faster.
We hope these real-life home phrases help you feel more confident in everyday situations.
And if you like this episode, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
And listen, if you have any topics you want us to cover, drop them in the comments below. We read everything.
Stay tuned for more fun, more learning, and more Speak English Daily. We've got so much coming your way. Bye! Until next time.